In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to recover lost or deleted data in an Android device. We all know that once we delete a photo or a video, or maybe a text SMS, or maybe a WhatsApp chat and stuff like that on an Android device, it's gone forever. If you delete your data permanently on your Android phone, it goes away. You don't get access to it anymore. I'm sure you get that, right? Unless you have a backup somewhere, you restore it. Otherwise, once gone, it's gone. But do you know that there are specific softwares that could actually help you get back lost or deleted data from your Android device? Yes, there are softwares like that. And one such amazing software that I've come across, which we have personally used, is known as Stellar. And it seems like these guys have been around for quite some time and is in this industry with a very good score on Trustpilot, at least. So this is the website, the link for which is most probably going to be in the description. So you could just click on the link and get onto the website. The fun part about this website is that they allow you to use a demo version for absolutely free. And in that demo version, they allow you to recover 10 photos or videos for free. And the file size per recovery is 10 MB. Not bad at all. And the good part about this software is that to recover deleted data, you don't have to root your device. The software supports most Android devices like Samsung and OnePlus and stuff like that. And if your Android version is 6 and above, you're good to go. So you could just go ahead and click on this tab, and then you're going to get directed to this page, and then you're going to see a file going to be downloaded to your system. So this is going to be the installer which is going to be downloaded to your system, and you could just double click on it and you could install the software by following the prompts. And once the software is installed, you could launch it, and this is going to be the layout. Pretty neat. There's no hodgepodge. You could see that to the left you have a menu. To recover Android data, you need to select this option. To recover WhatsApp data, you need to select this option. If you want to recover data for your WhatsApp for business account, you could select this option. And if you want to recover Google Drive data, you could select this option. Now remember, whatever option you are selecting, you need to have that specific device or application connected to this specific interface so that you could actually access and do the recovery. So let's go ahead and select recover Android data, and whatever you want to recover, you could just ensure that everything is checked out here, say photos and videos. Then you click on the next tab, and now you have to connect your device. So in this step, you connect your phone to your PC. So once the software detects your phone, it is going to show you an instruction like this. Just follow these steps on your settings, and it is going to get completely connected so that it could help you recover your lost or deleted data. So you get to settings, you go to about phone, and then get to the build number. So for my phone, it is going to be, I think, out here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. To get to developer mode, do a search for USB debugging. Turn this on. Click on OK. Or you could also click on this link out here to understand what are the specific options you need to turn on for your phone model. So let's go ahead and click on this option. You could scroll down a bit and you could see that there are a lot of brands out here. So select your brand and select the model and get the instructions. It's very simple. For me, it's nothing. So for me, it's very simple. Just turn on developer options, and then under debugging, just turn on USB debugging. If you have a Xiaomi phone, you could maybe just turn on developer options and also do the same thing, USB debugging. So you could see, according to your brand model, you could follow instructions out here. So now we go ahead and click on next, and you could see that your device is connected. It is going to show up out here. So you click on scan. The software is going to scan the entire phone. It is going to take some time. On your phone, you should see a pop-up like this. Click on allow. Click on allow. Click on allow all. Click on allow. Once the scan is complete, you're going to get a pop-up message like this. You click on OK. And to the left, you could see that this software has recovered photos, videos, audio, contacts, messages, call history, and documents. Now, something very important here for you to understand is that whatever photos or videos or audio or contacts or whatever other data has been recovered out here is not just your current data on your phone, like your photos or videos that you could see using the gallery of your device. This includes the deleted files also. I'll be explaining to you how that is possible in a while, but for now, let's go ahead, and if you want to maybe recover your photos, you could just click on photos and all your photos are going to be showcased out here to the right. So yes, I had deleted this photo in the past, this one also, this one also, this one also, this one also. Yeah, I deleted a lot of photos which have been recovered. Okay, and these photos that I had deleted were all permanently gone from my phone. I was not able to see it through the gallery. So let's go ahead and select deleted. So whatever photos or videos you want to save, just go ahead and select them and go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, you're going to get an option to save all the photos or videos that you select from the deleted section to your laptop or your PC. You're going to get an option to save it in a folder on your computer itself. But after you permanently delete a file from your device, how on earth is it possible to recover it? Because it's supposed to be gone, totally gone, right? Now, you have to understand one thing, that when a file is deleted, it is actually inaccessible by us. I like to call it the untouchable space. Your photos or videos or whatever you permanently delete goes to the untouchable space. Most of the time it is still there in your phone memory itself, but you cannot actually see it. Hence, I call it untouchable space. Now, the more you use your phone, the more data is going to be downloaded or uploaded, or if you click photos or if you make videos, it's going to be stored on your phone. As time passes by, those permanently deleted files are going to be overwritten. So the permanently deleted files are still there, but it is not recoverable under normal circumstances. We have to use specialized software like Stellar to go ahead and recover all of our permanently deleted stuff. So you could give the software a try and do let me know via email or in the comment section below how was your experience with it, so that we can share our feedback with the company. Take care, my friend.